Hello guys, welcome to Tactics tutorial. In today's video, I will show you how to add multiple songs on a TikTok video. Without further ado, let's get started. Now in your TikTok app, click the plus button and add a video that has music. Now you can add different songs if you click that. You can also have a choice to add some voiceover by just clicking the arrow down and just click the voice option. Now you have different options of voice changer if you want to record a voiceover. Now if you're done, just click next and then change the privacy to only you and then post the video. Once the video is posted, just click your profile sound. Now you can add different videos under the song that you just published on TikTok. And that's it everyone. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope that you learned something. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe.